This is what to watch on Wall Street for Thursday, October 15th. Take a look at what companies are reporting their financial numbers. From banks to casinos, it's going to be a crowded day. In the morning, we hear from Goldman Sachs, KeyCorp, Citigroup, along with Philip Morris International, all showing us how they did in the latest quarter, followed by Advanced Micro Devices, Mattel, Schlumberger, and Wynn Resorts coming out with figures after the closing bell. When the resorts and casino operator releases its third quarter earnings, analysts are calling for 87 cents a share on more than $1 billion in revenue. The top and bottom line are expected to shrink year over year. Given that Wynn heavily relies on China since it has the casinos in Macau, the world's biggest gaming hub, analysts are bearish due to the country's slowing economy. So far, gaming volumes in Macau have been declining. Investors will keep an eye on how the company will rebound from these challenges.
So I think, to be honest, this quarter is going to be a wash. I really, from a numbers perspective, intra-quarter, it doesn't really matter because we know it's going to be depressed. We know it's not going to be great because what you had is the Chinese government implement all these anti-corruption policies, withdrawal limits at the casinos. So there isn't as much money in the casinos. The business, the revenues, all the fees, they're going to be down. I think what you're looking for is seeing what management says on the call, how they're talking about the long-term outlook. Chinese government just inflected in I think just as of 3-4 weeks ago, they said that they're going to now ease the anti-corruption policies, and they're actually going to try to support Macau because that's such an important part of their economy.
Let's see what's on the economic calendar. We start off the day with the Consumer Price Index and jobless claims coming out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. Then at the same time, we also get the Empire State Manufacturing Survey showing us how the manufacturing sector did in September. At 11, we get the weekly oil inventory report along with the Treasury budget. For the latest financial news and updates from Wall Street, check backonthestreet.com throughout the day. I'm Yujin Lee in New York.